Someone coming up here for me.
Oh, hey! He's a good man.
In the screen.
And chairman's have come. I'm sorry. Jesus. I hope Dickie really messes up tomorrow.
You got dirty hands.
I've just done it.
Really messes up his on his speech to you.
Oh, you got speech, haven't you? You've got
Done it.
speech.
I've just done it to Flounder.
TV cameras watching over
Do
you.
it. Next.
Just explode.
Just blow yourself up. Go on then. Without his help,
that bonfire would just
This
not
event would never have taken place. Yeah.
He hasn't shirked it, he's worked it.
God, in fact, oh my God.
I'm breaking up. Steve, not even. You just couldn't have without him.
Steve, you might as well keep that bloody trophy.
Where would we be without Steve? The mighty Martin.
It's not
His
cool.
legs just wouldn't be. Everybody, thank you, Steve.
Where are you, Steve? Where are you? Are you in the park?
He's that blur between the hut and Lake Avenue, he just runs it so often.
And who is the manager of Lake Avenue?
Hi, my name's Paul Donnelly, I'm Lake Avenue Gate Manager. Thanks for you.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said last
He
year.
did,
Last year he went out there. It was a 41 club, he went and goes, hi, my name's Paul Donnelly, I'm the Lake Avenue Gate Manager. I just pissed myself.
bloody
Yeah, we had to suffer it. We're just like,
Yeah, he's
just said
clipboard
that.
out.
Oh shit.
Just have a shot at What's that? Stop this standing leaning on the car.
There he is.
Donners!
We've got here, look.
Yeah, you might as well keep that trophy. Yeah. We just shoot. It's not a